Mumbai. Arunima, beginning the discussion with you, Lockdown 5.0, when are we expecting the Union Home Ministry to come out with the guidelines? And what are the broad contours, the broad suggestions, if one looks at the patterns that have been received from the various state governments?
So there are enough indications that the guidelines could come today evening as well. Earlier we were expecting it tomorrow during Prime Minister's Mann Ki Baat address or after that. But now the kind of pace of activity that we are seeing inside North Block, Union Home Secretary has just left after Home Minister met the Prime Minister to finalize the guidelines. Now Home Secretary has also left. We told that he is gone to consult the Home Minister and the other seniors whose nods are needed before the Home Secretary signs because he's the nodal authority. He has to sign the guidelines and any daily order if there are. So in the next hour or so, maybe between 6 and 7, if the guidelines have to come today, we are expecting around that window for the guidelines to be released. We're also given enough indication that in the guidelines of Lockdown 5.0, we will see further restrictions getting lifted, further boost to the economic activities that are happening. Number of states have sought that hospitality sector be given more relief. Goa, for example, has said that in the hospitality industry, it's suffering. Goa is dependent. Goa's economy is dependent. Same for Karnataka. West Bengal has already announced that from the 1st of June, 100% workforce will be present. So there are enough indications to show that centre's nod has been obtained by these states and hence these announcements. There are some states like Kerala which are still wary because Kerala, after flattening the curve, their numbers have now started going up.
Yes.
So I think what the centre is going to say in Lockdown 5.0 is give more freedom to state. Whichever state feels they want to relax further, they will have the freedom to do so. Whichever state feels they want to carry on with the restriction, they will have the freedom to do so. Universally, this lockdown will have on the negative list most likely schools, colleges, educational institutions, cinema halls. Malls, again, Delhi wants them to be open, but it could be that malls also are on that negative list.
Arunima, very briefly, what about the places of religious worship? What has been the feedback on that front?
So to quote a top government functionary, he says, what is the problem with going to a temple? If you are allowing people to go to a salon, you're allowing them to go for sporting activity, what is the problem with going to the temple? What the government is thinking, as I understood, is that if social distancing is maintained inside a place of worship, if there are 5 people there at a time, all at a distance, everybody wearing a mask and sanitizing themselves, then there is no problem. The problem is if you're allowing any festival there, any religious congregation there, if you're allowing a lot of people to get together, then there is a problem. And I think that is what the guideline will say, that no objection to places of worship opening, but ensure that these protocols are followed.
All right, Arunima, stay on with us, getting us all the very important details of how the Lockdown 5.0 is going to look.